My name is Kevin Kelo, and I'm finishing my second year at George Brown College for Early Childhood Education. When I'm speaking about my experience at George Brown College, I have nothing else to say but amazing. Although it is a predominantly female program, for a male like me, I didn't feel out of place. The professors, from field liaisons to the staff in the office, from when we were at She Campus, everything was top quality. Compared to other early childhood colleges, this one by far is the best. Even my mother had been to other colleges and she sees the quality in this being so much higher than the rest. I would seriously recommend George Brown College if you are looking for an early childhood college. And I would just like to thank George Brown College for having me and giving me the opportunity to talk about my experience. And thank you.